Good evening, everyone. This is this PowerShell script which I have come up with for the assignment 3 of IT automation course. As part of the requirement of the assignment 3, we were asked to come up with a scenario and had uh, few requirements using which I had to come up with a script, and I have come up with a script of generating an electricity bill calculator. These are the general information which I am printing out for information of how the electricity bill is calculated. If the units are between 1 to 100, then it will be zero point 0.8 Canadian dollars per unit. And if it is between 100 to 200, it is 0.12, and so on. As part of this script, I am asking for two string values. One is the consumer name, that means the name of the customer who is using the electricity, and the subscriber number. That means the name, consumer number of this or the subscriber number of the user must be entered by the user. These are the two variables, two string variables which I am asking from the user. Next, I'm asking the number of units that has been consumed by the user for the particular month. Number of units in the sense number of kilowatts per units, uh, the electricity consumption of the customer has to be entered. Based on that, based on the value entered, if the value is between 1 to 100, then it will be charged 0.18 Canadian 0.18 Canadian dollars per unit. If the unit is between 100 and 200, then 0.12. If the entered units are between 200 and 300, then it is 0.16. I have used a double data type for the units consumption, units consumed variable. And these are the other numeric variables which I am using. These are basically the cost for each slab. The first slab is 1 to 100, second slab is 100 to 200, third slab is 200 to 300, and fourth slab is 300 and above. And I'm using if-else condition to calculate the electricity bill. Here I'm calculating if the unit consumed is less than or equal to 100, then I'm calculating the amount, the total electricity bill amount I'm calculating. That is multiplication of units consumed into the first cost, that is 0.8. Similarly, else if I'm using, and if the number of units consumed is less than or equal to 200, then the cost is calculated with formula 100 into first cost plus unit consumed minus 100 into the second cost. So you will find, similarly, you will get the bill to be paid with using this formula. Similarly, I have calculated for 300, for less than or equal to 300, and if it is greater than 300. So these will basically is a if-else condition. If the units entered by the user falls into any of these four slabs, then based on that, I have any of these four slabs, then based on that, I have written the if-else condition and I'm calculating the amount. Next is I am creating a bill file. That means a file will be generated that will contain the electricity bills information, and the name of the file is basically basically this bill underscore month consumed underscore subscriber number. This will be basically the file name of the output file. And month consumed means the units entered by the user. I am finding the month in which the electricity bill generator had generated the electricity bill. So get hyphen date hyphen u format $B. That means to get the word of month. So if it is January, then January will be stored in month consumed. Okay. Next, I'm hard coding the path This is the path in which the electricity bill output will be generated and stored. Then I am using the set location command. I am changing the current directory to the path, and then I'm creating using new item. I'm creating a file. New item command. I'm creating a file, and in the current path, I am storing the bill file. That is the text file, the output text file. Next, I'm using the this format to generate the output in the output file, that is the bill file. There I am using pipe symbol as per the requirement of the assignment. I am using the pipe symbol to append information into the file. And finally, I am displaying the location of the output file and giving the user a message that the bill has been generated. Here, I'm using date function, get date function, to generate the date in which the electricity bill is generated. And then I'm using due date. For due date, I'm adding basically 1 month from the date of generation. I'm adding 1 month to find the due date. So this is the entire script which I have come up with. Now let me run this script and show the output. So once once I run the script, it displays the information, electricity bill calculator, and it asks for the user's name. I am entering Ashwin. It is asking for the subscriber number. I am typing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it is asking for the number of units consumed. Let me type 70. So when I type 70, it has generated the output and put in this location, in this directory, and it has shown the output message to the user. The electricity bill is calculated successfully and stored at the following location. And this is that file. So this is the output of the file after generating the uh, file, after generating the electricity bill. So you can clearly see that it was generated on 28th of July, and this is the time at which it was generated. You can see 9:58, just 1 minute ago. And then $56 is the total. That means 0.8 into 70, that is 56. And then due date is basically 1 month after the bill generation, that is August 28th, again at the same time. So this is the due date. And this is the total output file which is generated and stored in this location. This was my script and the scenario which I have come up with. Thank you. Have a nice day.